Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone and files. Charge the Oppo to at least half and enable USB debugging in developer options so the PC can talk to it. Once done, back up photos, contacts, and app data to a cloud or your computer because the process can overwrite storage. Then download the exact A37FW firmware package and install the Oppo USB drivers on your PC. This ensures your computer recognizes the device when you connect it for flashing. Now you move into the flashing stage. Connect the phone and boot it into recovery or download mode by using the power plus volume key combo, making sure the screen indicates the mode. Next, load the correct scatter file in the official flashing tool like SB Flash or Oppo's tool. This maps partitions so you flash the right files. Then start the flash, monitoring progress and keeping the cable stable. Flash system and vendor partitions, only unless you explicitly want a full wipe of user data. Finally, after flashing, you reboot into the updated system and complete the initial setup, sign into accounts and verify connectivity. If the phone gets stuck in a boot loop, make sure to try a factory reset from recovery first, since caches or incompatible settings often cause failures. If problems persist, restore your backup or reflash the stock firmware with the correct files. This recovers the original state. Throughout, keep the battery charged and use verified tools to minimize risk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.